Hello children, welcome to my English session. Today I'll be reading the lesson The Saving the Sparrow and I'll be explaining thereafter. So let's read the lesson Saving the Sparrow. Hiralal looked at the power line that ran across his village. His father had once told him that the line brought electricity to their homes. Quite often, Hiralal thought about following the power line to see where it went. He imagined the places he would see and the people he would meet. Most evenings, sparrows came to rest on the power line. They looked beautiful like glass beads on a necklace. Seeing the birds, he wished he were one of them, so he could fly to strange lands. A boy by name Hiralal lived in a village, and his father has told him that these power lines brought electricity to the village, and these power lines are connected to different towns and cities and different villages too, and that is the wire which brought electricity to their homes. ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರಿನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅವರಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ವೈರ್ಸು ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ತಂದುಕೊಡತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ವೈರ್ಸು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೌನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ ವಿಶ್ಡ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ದ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಟೌನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಪವರ್ ಲೈನ್. ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಲೇಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೌನ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಲೈನಿಂದ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಫಾದರು, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಭಾಳ ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಅವನು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋಸ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಲೈನ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು. ದೇ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ನೆಕ್ಲೇಸ್. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಬರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಗಾಜಿನ ಮಣಿಗಳಿರೋ ನೆಕ್ಲೆಸ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಹಿರಾಲಾಲ್ ವಿಶ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ he would also be a sparrow, and so that he could fly and visit strange means different lands, unknown lands. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಂಜೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು ಪವರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಒಂದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಗಾಜಿನ ಮಣಿಗಳಿರೋ ನೆಕ್ಲೆಸ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ಆದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅವನ ಆಶಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರೀಡ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಫರ್ದರ್. One morning, as Hiralal was cycling to school, he heard the loud twittering of the sparrows. Something was not right. He looked up to see that one of the sparrows was caught in the power line. It was hanging there head down, desperately flapping its wings, but he did not know how he could help. So Hiralal rode off to school. He hoped someone would save the sparrow. Every day, Hiralal went to school by cycling. One morning, as he was cycling on his way to school, he notices a sparrow that was caught in the power line. It was hanging upside down and it was fluttering its wings. It was helpless. It wanted to come out of that bad situation, and so many other sparrows were twittering around that bird, and they were also trying to help that bird. Hiralal hopes someone will rescue that bird and goes to the school. Let's continue the reading. When he came back from school, he saw that the sparrow was still trapped. Its wings were spread, but they were not moving. Hiralal began to worry. What if it did? He noticed that other sparrows were flying around the trapped bird, trying to help it. Hiralal ran into the house. Ma, help me! Pa, quick, come quickly! His parents rushed out to his side. What happened? They asked, worried. He told them about the sparrow. He pleaded with them to find a way to save it. On his way back from school, when he sees it still hanging limp, he decides he must do something about it and he rushes towards his house to seek help from his parents. And he quickly calls out, Ma, Papa, come outside. His parents also rushed to his side, means they came near him and asked what happened. They were also worried because Hiralal was shouting and he was in a worry. And he pleaded with them to find a way to save the sparrow. He requests his parents, please help me to save that sparrow which is caught in the power line. But the power line is very high. His father pointed out. How are we going to reach it? His mother pursed her lips and said, it is too dangerous. I will not let either of you go near the wire. Hiralal was sobbing. His parents tried to comfort him, but there seemed to be little they could do. Hiralal knew the bird would not live much longer. The thought did not allow him to rest. But slowly an idea began to take shape in his head. Soon after, Hiralal cycled to the power station near his village. When Ram Bharos, the maintenance man, saw this young boy waving to him, he unlocked the gate and let him in. Hiralal told him about the sparrow. Hiralal's parents tell him the lines, that is, the power lines, are very dangerous to touch as they have electricity running through them. Hiralal was very much disappointed that he cannot save the bird. His father says that the power lines are very high, we can't reach it very easily. And mother also says that it carries high voltage electric current and she will not allow Hiralal or his father to go and touch the wire without any necessary arrangements or precautions. Hiralal was very much disappointed or unhappy that he cannot save the bird with the help of his parents. But slowly he is making an idea in his mind how to save the sparrow. Soon after, Hiralal cycled to the power station near his village. When Ram Bharos, the maintenance man, saw this young boy waving to him, he unlocked the gate and let him in. Hiralal told him about the sparrow. Could you please switch off the power for a little while? He asked. Ram Bharos scratched his head. Then he said, let's see. Maybe the supervisor can help. He took Hiralal to a kind old man who was sitting at a desk. Hiralal was tired and frightened. With tears in his eyes, he said, a sparrow is going to die because of its foot caught in the power line. If you can switch off the power, we can take the bird down. Please, you must listen to me. The old man listened to Hiralal patiently. Son, switching off the power is not going to be easy, he said. Think of the hospitals. What will happen to a patient who is in the middle of an operation? Hiralal wanted to save that bird at any cost. So immediately he takes up his bicycle and he goes to the power station which was near his village. There at the power station, Ram Bharos, the maintenance man, looks at a little boy coming towards the power station and he opens the gate. Hiralal explains the whole story about the bird and he asks his help. He asks Ram Bharos to switch off the power for a while so that he can rescue the sparrow. Rescue means to bring out the bird from the dangerous situation. But switching off the power was not under Ram Bharo's control, so he takes Hiralal to his supervisor. There, in front of the supervisor, also, Hiralal explains the whole situation about the bird and he gets emotional too and he starts crying and he pleads the supervisor to shut off the power line for a while so that he can rescue this sparrow. But the supervisor explains him that the power cannot be shut down when the factories and hospitals depend on continuous power supply. ಹೀರಾಲಾಲು ಪವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ರಾಮ್ ಭರೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಪವರ್ ಶಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಶಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ರಾಮ್ ಭರೋಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಲ್ಲಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರ್ ಹತ್ರನೂ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಪವರ್ ಶಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹೀ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ರೈ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅವನು ಅಳೋದು ಕೂಡ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪವರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಶಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು, ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪವರ್ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಪವರ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. He stopped and looked into Hiralal's sad eyes. Then he said, "Tell me your name, son. Also tell me where you live." He touched the boy's shoulder. "You have a large heart, but it's time for you to return home. It's growing dark outside." Sad and helpless, Hiralal returned home. Sometime near the dawn, he woke up to loud noises. "Oh, Hiralal, come out!" Hiralal shot out of the house. His heart was racing. He had seen 3 men. One of them was Ram Bharos. The supervisor was explaining Hiralal that he was not able to shut down the power because of the factories and hospitals. But immediately he stops and he looks at Hiralal's eyes. He notices the kindness in his heart and in his eyes, and he takes his name and full address from him, and also he taps on his shoulders that he is a very good boy, a kind-hearted boy. A boy with a large heart means kind-hearted person, and advises Hiralal to go home and take rest as it is growing dark. Hiralal is disappointed that he cannot save the bird. He returns home and he goes to sleep. But Hiralal is awakened in the middle of the night by Ram Bharos and his men. There is a power shutdown and they ask Hiralal to take them to the sparrow so that they could save it. ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರು ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ನ ನೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀರಾಲಾಲು ಭಾಳ ಅನ್ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿ ನೊಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಡ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಗ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಏನೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಆಗಿ ಎಚ್ಚರ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅವನ ಮನೆ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮುಂದೆ 3 ಜನ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬನು ರಾಮ್ ಭರೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಾಮ್ ಭರೋಸ್ ಈಸ್, "ಓ ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್, come and show where the sparrow is so that we can save it." ಬೇಗ ಆ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸು, ಪವರ್ ಶಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. There is a power shutdown at the station. Ram Bharos explained. They had come with the truck to rescue the sparrow. "Hurry and jump into the truck. Show us where the sparrow is." Hiralal searched for the bird. Suddenly he yelled, "A little more to right. A little more." They were now directly under the power line where the sparrow was trapped. Ram Bharos explained Hiralal that there is a power shutdown in the station and they had come with a truck to rescue the sparrow. Ram Bharos asked Hiralal to go with them and show the spot where the sparrow has been trapped exactly in the electric wire. Hiralal, with all the happiness, he jumps with them and he shows that where the sparrow is exactly trapped. ರಾಮ್ ಭರೋಸ್ ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪವರ್ ಶಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಡ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಾ ನೀನು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀರಾಲಾಲು ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಸ್ಟೀರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ರೆಡಿ. Ram Bharos swung up the extension ladder as the other man switched on his torch and held it up. The light from the torch picked out the sparrow hanging from the wire. Ram Bharos carefully loosened the bird's claws that was caught in the wire and put the sparrow in his shirt pocket. Now they have located the bird. Now they'll make all the necessary arrangement to save the sparrow. They'll take the position. They'll move the truck where they will get the proper position and Ram Bharos will climb up the extension ladder. They'll spread out the extension ladder. They'll make it high and Ram Bharos will climb the ladder and the another man put on his torch and he gives light where that bird is trapped. And Ram Bharos slowly loosens the claws. Claws means small fingers of the birds. He slowly loosens that claws that was caught in the wire and puts the sparrow in his shirt pocket because he has to climb down. No, he can't hold it in his hand. So he puts that small bird in his shirt pocket. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದಮೇಲೆ ಡ್ರೈವರು ತನ್ನ ಟ್ರಕ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂಥ ಏಣಿನ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ರಾಮ್ ಭರೋಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ತುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮ್ಯಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಬರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ರಾಮ್ ಭರೋಸು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಕಾಲುಗಳು ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಡ್ನ ವೈರಿಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮೆತ್ತಗೆ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇಳಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಏಣಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಹಿ climbs down. The rescue had taken only a few minutes. Ram Bharos and his companions left after handing the sparrow to Hiralal. The bird rested in his cupped hands. Suddenly it jumped out of his hands, it spread its wings and began to fly. Hiralal would always remember this magical moment. The rescue operation did not take much time. Ram Bharos and his companions, they freed the bird and they handed over to Hiralal. That bird, it was there in his Hiralal's hands for a few minutes and immediately it jumped out of his hand, it spread out its wings and started to fly in the sky. It wanted to join its family and friends. Here the bird is also happy and Hiralal is also happy. And for this moment was very magical to him and he always remembered this magical moment. ಬರ್ಡ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಮ್ ಭರೋಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ಸು ಬೇಗನೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ ಕೈಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಜಂಪ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಅವನ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತನ್ನ ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ತೆರೆದು ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗತ್ತೆ. ಬರ್ಡು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ಗೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೀರಾಲಾಲ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಈ ಕ್ಷಣ ತುಂಬ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅನಿಸತ್ತೆ. ಅವನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವನು ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮರಿದಲೇ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. Here, Hiralal's concern for the sparrow is amazing. it impresses others. The supervisor appreciates him and takes down his name and address. Ram Bharos and his men go out of their way to save the little bird for the sake of the boy. So finally, the theme of the lesson is where there is a will, there is a way. In Kannada, we'll say no, ಮನಸ್ಸಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಗ. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ where there is a will, there is a way. Got it, children? That's all about the lesson Saving the Sparrow. Thank you all, children. Stay home, stay safe, keep on learning.